struggling to send an email in Yahoo Mail? Learn the exact steps to compose, attach files, and send in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through each step from signing in to confirming delivery. Let's start with logging into your account. So first things first, you need to be signed into your Yahoo Mail account. Head over to mail.yahoo.com and enter your email address and password. Now, if you have two-factor authentication turned on, which a lot of us do these days, just follow the prompts to verify it's really you. This might take a moment to process, especially if it sends a code to your phone. Once you're in, you'll see your inbox. That's your home base. All right, now that we're in, let's find the Compose button. It's a big, bright button, usually in the top left corner of the screen. It might say Compose, or it might just have a little pencil icon. Either way, click that. A new window will pop up right in the middle of your screen. This is your blank email canvas. So now for the recipient. You'll see a field at the top labeled To. Click inside that field and start typing the person's email address. And here's the thing. Yahoo is pretty helpful here. As you type, it'll suggest contacts from your address book. If you see the right person, just click their name and it'll fill in automatically. Just make sure the address is correct. One wrong letter and it won't get where it's supposed to go. Now let's move down to the subject field. This one is pretty straightforward. Just click in there and type a short, clear subject line that tells the recipient what your email is about. Something like meeting request for Tuesday or quick question about my account. Keep it simple. Now for the main event, the message itself. This big blank area below the subject line is where you actually write your email. Just click in there and start typing. You can keep it casual or make it more formal, whatever fits the situation. And you've got some basic formatting options along the bottom of the window if you want to bold something or change the font. Nothing too fancy, but it's there if you need it. And here's where a lot of people get tripped up. Attaching a file. If you need to send a document, a photo, or a PDF, look for the paperclip icon. It's usually at the bottom of the Compose window. Click that paperclip and your computer's file browser will open up. Navigate to the file you want, select it, and click Open. You'll see it appear in your email. Now, Yahoo has a file size limit, usually around 25 megabytes. If your file is larger than that, you might get an error. In my experience, if that happens, you can try compressing the file or using a cloud storage link instead. All right, you've got the address, the subject, the message, and the attachment. Now for the satisfying part. Look at the very bottom of that Compose window and you'll see a blue Send button. Click it. That's it. Your email is on its way. Now let's make sure it actually went through. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of folders. Click on the one that says Sent. This will show you all the emails you've sent. Look for the one you just sent. If it's there, you're good to go. You've officially sent your first email from Yahoo Mail, and that's really all there is to it. From signing in to hitting send and double-checking your sent folder, you now know exactly how to get an email out the door. No more frustration. Just a clean, simple process that works every time. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you in the next one.